guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia.Armoni. So in today's video, I'll be installing this lace front wig that I received from Nadula hair. Yes, this video is sponsored, but all my opinions about the hair is 100% what I feel. Nadula hair sent me their 26-inch Indian body wave hair. This is a 13x6 transparent lace. Like, look at this lace. This lace is melted, period. Okay, so I did customize this unit. I bleached the knots and I also dyed it jet black, and I just feel like it just looks so good jet black. I love jet black hair on me. It's really giving natural scalp, mind and all, you know. I'm so freaking in love with this hair. Like, it looks so good. Look at the luster on this hair. It is so freaking full and thick, which I love. And like I said, the luster and body on this hair is amazing, and I could just run my fingers through. It's so freaking soft. This hair has to be top 5 by far. I didn't even think this is up front to me. This is my hair, period. I want to thank Nadula Hair again for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to see how I installed and got this sleek, nice style, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm just showing you the wig after I customized it. It did come with 3 combs and an adjustable elastic band in the back so you can tighten your wig. And the first thing that I always do is apply the wig, make sure it fits perfectly on my head, and then I go ahead and cut off the air tabs. So this is a transparent lace, so it can give off that white like cast. So you do want to make sure you tint the lace, or you can do as I did, which was put foundation, it's the same color as my skin, on the lace, and it works perfectly fine. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my glue. This is the boho glue, not the active, but the regular glue today. And I used 3 layers of this glue. Now that we laid the lace inside the glue, I'm just taking my blow dryer and on cool and just blow drying it, just to ensure that all the glue is completely dry. And I also like to take the got2b spray and spray it like directly on the hairline. This step is optional, but I just find that it helps my install last longer. So when you're cutting your lace, you want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. Like, you don't want to see any bare lace. Even if you cut off a few strands of hair, it's okay. Just make sure you get really close to the hairline, because that's how you get that scalpy look. So next, I'm going to take my hot comb and just press my hair to the back, just to get all the flyaways or any hair out my way. I also wanted to mention to you guys, when you're using the boho glue, because this is the only glue I noticed it with, please make sure that you're not hot, you're not sweaty or anything, or it's no humidity, because I noticed that if I'm sweating while I'm putting on this glue, the glue would turn white underneath my lace. And it happened to me before, and it like ruined my whole install. So please be mindful of that, because it started to happen to me again right there in the front. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's why I changed my shirt, because that shirt was kind of making me hot. And I also cut the fan on because, sis, I was refusing for it to mess my lace up again. But anyways, the clip of me doing my baby hairs got deleted, so I will be uploading a separate baby hair tutorial video for you guys very soon. Look at this lace, guys. Can you say melted? Period. Okay. But we're not done yet. So now I'm going to take my wax stick and smooth it on my hair, and we're just going to press out this part. I want my hair to be flat, 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 flat. In order to do that, you have to use your hot comb and really just press that hair out. And now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn to define my part. So for styling today, I decided to curl my hair with my Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron. If y'all think I killed this install, which I know I did, please give me a thumbs up down below. So this is it for this install, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all like always, and thanks for watching.